What's up, guys? It's Lozo here, out with another video. If you're watching this, then you already know that this thing is already bagged from my last upload. It is, what's today? Oh, Cinco de Mayo. So today's Cinco de Mayo. That video for the bagged install is probably it. I'm gonna upload it this week. I know times are kind of off, but yeah, today's Cinco de Mayo. Today we are putting, what are we putting?
We're putting stuff on the car.
Stuff in the car, yeah. Height sensors, because we didn't have time. 2 weeks ago, he just wanted to get the car on all fours, so height sensors are going in,
So
and
sister can park in the garage.
so my sister could park in the garage.
Yeah.
She's been parking outside?
No, that's why I wanted to finish that weekend.
Oh, yeah. So height sensors are going in. What else are we waiting for your car?
Replacement tank, rear bag, second compressor,
Rear tank, rear diffuser.
wicker bill.
Oh, wicker bill. Oh, yeah. So, what, May 5th? So, yeah, and then this coming Sunday is Mother's Day, so he's working on it this week, so
No,
yes. He's
I
not.
thought you meant this weekend.
No, he's working it this week, so he could, spend time with the family. So, yeah, let's, yeah. Well, yeah, the reason why he's running, sensors is because on his Mustang before he traded it in,
Oh,
his
you
tires,
better bring that up, huh?
his tires were bald. They were on wires before we were trading his Mustang in, and yeah,
On the inner edge only.
on the inner edge, and he barely drove his Mustang too, but when he got on it, I guess shit happens.
Shit happens. See
But,
what happens when you got it set up with pressure.
So I think yeah, he was running 3P, now he's running 3H, and he's recommending me I should run it before I run my NTO trees.
Comment. What do you guys think?
Comment what do you guys
What
think?
What you think?
Well, I mean, this video will probably be out, and I'll probably have my wheels already on, but
But just comment what you guys think you should do.
what do you think? Should I run height sensors?
Yeah. That's a green light.
I think I might. It's $500 though, man. 8.5 inches.
A full extend. Now we gotta jack it up.
So yeah, should I run height sensors on my car?
Yeah, bro.
I think I might.
Easy install.
I'll do height sensors. Cause yeah, I noticed my tires are kind of getting bald. Well, I did rotate my tires a couple weeks ago, and they pulled to the right. I'm pretty sure it's because of the tire wear, but I think I'll get some height sensors.
Easy install, bro.
Easy install. We could do it in one day.
Take your time.
And I'm gonna be using I'm gonna be using this garage too. So that's 2 cars. I'll be outside.
I'm trying to knock this thing out quick.
I think I need to invest in a smaller camera. I think
all of it?
that's all of it. If you guys don't know, I'm filming with a 60D old ass camera.
What is this, early 2000s?
Nah, it's probably like 2013, 14.
Oh, that's the one you got at Best Buy?
Yeah.
Damn.
So I got this at Best Buy after Black Friday. Amazon still had that deal, so it was like price matching, and yeah, price match. I asked him if you guys price matched during Black Friday. He's like, no. So I counted the next day. Amazon still had it, so picked it up for less than $1,000. That was still a lot of money back then, but now how I spend stuff on money, this is nothing now.
How you spend money on stuff?
I don't know. I spend money on stuff.
You said how you spend stuff on money.
What did I say?
How you spend stuff on money?
How I spend money on stuff. Oh man. So you already used some tech screws to tech in his sensor. Now he has to move it, undo it.
And redo it.
So it's gonna be 4 holes instead of 2.
I like putting holes in my cars.
Well, I mean, this thing's a boat, so weight reduction.
Might sink.
So
I don't want it to sink.
yeah, I'll do another update on this.
Sorry. Took me long enough.
It is 8/11 update. update. As you can tell, I'm already wearing my sweater because it's cold out here.
Mind the sheeting, I fucked up.
I noticed this is how I put my glasses up. I go like this. I don't go like this. I go like that a lot. Oh. Oh man. The light. So yeah. Oh shit. Height sensor is on. I had to move the height sensor twice.
So much better.
Can't you see? There it is. Extra holes right there. So this is more of like a not a documentary, but
Docu-series?
yeah. So this is
That's right.
this is pretty much. I should record during this shelter in place COVID-19. Who knows? We'll look back at it maybe 2 or 3 years, like, oh damn, working in this garage, doing car stuff during this pandemic kind of thing. So if we're still in this garage, ooh, he got plans. But I get a mansion somewhere out in Oregon or in Texas, you know. He's gonna be probably racing all these other cars with this car. Who knows? Who knows? Well, who knows what holds the next 5 years? Maybe it could be good or bad. Who knows? So yeah.
Who knows?
I'll end it in this little thing here.
Who knows? Comment below.
Who knows? Comment below. Whoever the time traveler.
Did you tell them about our game?
All right, guys. Back with another video. It is. What day is it? It's May 8th. Oh shoot, where's the light here? Oh, it's May 8th. Continue on to that video from Cinco de Mayo. It is Friday, and we are. Are you gonna be installing the rear bags?
Rear bags, rear sensors.
So rear bags and rear sensors. If you guys don't know from the bag install, he had universal air, but it wasn't working with the height sensor because every time you would.
No, it works, but
No,
the reason I'm literally doing it is how it mounts. The upper mount just sits there; it's not bolted in place.
Well, even with your height, you wouldn't be able to do it. You wouldn't get an accurate reading with your height sensors, right?
Yeah, it'll still work.
No, your measurements though.
No, it'll still work. I just don't like how the airbag does not
Sit.
get bolted to the body. It's
Oh,
just
okay.
free sitting there, metal on metal.
So yeah, he's gonna be doing that. What else is there? And the height sensors, and that's it.
Height sensors for the rear.
I need more light. What's up, Liz?
I was asking if you were gonna get food.
I thought you guys were getting food.
Hey, look how bad she is.
So yeah, rears, and then he'll be able to get it. What do you call that? Aligned. I seen a black scat pack wide body.
Scat pack?
Yeah. Yeah. Murdered out. But yeah. So yes, I only got 3 or 4 shirts that I wear. This shirt was in the behind the scenes video with the Focus ST. The Cochino Kid shirt was in my STI introduction, and also what was the other video we did? Oh, the bag install. So yeah, I only wear like 3 or 4 shirts.
And I have like 5 of these.
And he's wearing the same TCI shirt
Is it
for
blue?
the,
Black.
for the past like 4 weeks.
It's not the
So
same,
it's washed.
6 of these.
Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. What are you looking for, JJ? I know what he's looking for.
Yup, me too.
Alright, oh, it's hella bright, yo. 125. Alright. So, this is what the thing he's talking about with the universal air compared to the airlift. So, oh shoot, can't really tell. Oh, there you go. So this part right here, how it moves. Where's that at? Like that. Oh, this part right here. Metal with metal. Right there. Compared to the other airlift, it'll have something where it mounts on it. We'll compare it once it's out. But you get the idea. Oh no, this is actually perfect. This is natural light. So on the far right, you got the universal air. And the other two, I got your ball sack in there. Hold on.
My ball sack.
So let me just zoom in on this. Okay, so the far right is universal air. The first 2 are airlift. You can tell where.
And it's got an offset install. So see the bracket's not completely straight. Stop zooming in my ball sack, bro.
No, I'm
I'm
not.
trying not to.
I'm not. I'm trying
I
to.
promise.
It's what do you call that? It's blurry. I'm trying to like zoom in.
Alright, this part's the fun part. So yeah, that's the difference.
So at least this will mount to the body. This one doesn't. So it'll be clanking, clanking, clanking up and down. While this one is stationed. Stationaried. All right, update. See, I always do this. I always do this to lift up my glasses. I'm not like normal people where they go like this. I go like this. So yeah, update. So with the airlift, the rear bags won't fit with the control arm, aftermarket control arms.
Yep.
So I guess that weed I'm smelling? No.
Or skunk.
Skunk. So yeah, so the OEM control arm has enough room to where it won't touch the bag. The upper one, the aftermarket one, what's the aftermarket one? SPC?
BMR.
BMR. So the BMRs, whoever plans on bagging their chargers.
You can't run a BMR upper control arm.
With the airlift.
No bueno.
So he's pretty much done with his car. He just got to put the height sensors, get it aligned, and
I'm a little upset.
it's okay.
It's $400.
So yeah, probably the next video will be an update on him installing the sensors. And yes, I'll be making more videos of my car.
Next video. I'm
Or
not done
no more videos. More videos will come for my car. It's just
Wait, steering wheel.
steering wheel. Yeah, I still gotta do my steering wheel. Gotta still do my wheels. It's hard figuring out what tires to run. Right now I got the Continental DWS 06s. For now, I almost put like 20,000 miles on them. Almost 20,000 on them. I don't know if I should run those.
Great tires.
Or, I mean, they even said Michelin. But you said the Michelins, those are pretty expensive.
They are. But you get a great performing tire. If you're just daily driving.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to spend that much. Yeah, so I don't know what tire to run on my NT03s.
Comment below.
Comment below. I'll probably already have tires by the time this video is out. But yeah, I've been searching on the NorCal VA page. I do not know what tire to run.
Stop playing.
Yeah, I'm just looking at it. I don't know. Oh yeah. All right, another update. Well, that's probably the clip and tonight's video. It's 8:34 and I think I'm gonna end it here. I know there was not that much to record, but he's putting the height sensor for the rear passenger side. He'll get tomorrow the driver's side. I probably won't be here tomorrow, but I'm gonna end it here. Hopefully the next video, or when are you planning on getting it aligned? Next Saturday? On a Monday?
Just because I think the shops aren't open on weekends. Where I'm trying to go.
You didn't hear that part, but well, it'll be aligned, and hopefully we can see this out on the road and get a full depth of it aired out, because it looks pretty sick. On that last video for the bag install, the rears, the bump stops were still on there, so it didn't fully air out. So you'll be able to see it when it's sunny. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. It'll probably be my car next on mods or something, or tires. Who knows? Who knows, right? Who knows? Tires. So I'll probably get some tires, get those mounted on the NT03s, and then yeah, probably see it from there. Light.